Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Hamster Kombat Airdrop Season 2 listing. So if you are still in touch with your Hamster Kombat, the Season 2, which is our vested hamster in the Season 1, will be listed soon. So this is their update on December 3rd. They say Season 2 rewards are coming. Season 2 is underway and will bring many exciting new features while expanding the hamster verse. Stay active in the games to earn additional bonus and rewards. So Season 2 rewards is coming soon and you have to be active. If you have not joined the hamster verse, you need to go and actually join so that you can claim your vested hamster. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. So you can as well join our Telegram for high value updates. So here, what you're going to do is to click on this hamster verse. It's going to open and you can now see loading. This is a BitQuest. If you have been active, you need to understand that you are also, this hamster game devel heroes has been the one we are doing. So these are the games and these are the socials. These socials, you need to follow them on their S and Telegram accounts. Now coming to the games, the snapshot has been done for this last one, and currently the one we are mining now is Hamster Game Devel Hero, Hamster King, Hamster Gymnastic, and Hamster Fight Club. So if you go to your profile here, you can now see reward season 2 coming soon. So what are the reward season 2? This reward season 2 that we are going to claim shortly is the vesting season 1. Most of us, the tokens we receive in the season 1, they gave us half and vested half, which they say that we are going to claim the half, the vesting token. Either is this 1 year or 12 months. I can't remember the exact data they gave that period. So if you click on this vesting season 1, you can see that I only have 117. That was what I have in my vesting. And this vest 161, once you click on your hamster vest, you will see claim token. Just claim it. So you are going to claim it with hamster good. So this my 117 token is now being exchanged to hamster gold and it's giving me 1,764. Now this is it. This is the hamster interlude result which we did. I have 334 diamond per hour 1.52. So this was the interlude result. Now this is a one airdrop. What I got in season 1 airdrop is 1,000 and I transferred 833 to my Bybit. So the remaining one, which is now the 117, is now being exchanged to hamster good. Did you see that? So even if you have not been active on this hamster since they listed their token, you still have your hamster there. So don't allow it to go like that. Go and exchange it to hamster good so that you can be qualified to receive the reward in season 2. So coming to the game session, just your normal tapping, you tap for 3,000 times. So as you're tapping, you're claiming your rewards. So watch now, I don't want to watch ad. So as you're tapping, you also remember to claim your rewards. You have to claim your rewards as well. Now they also have so many other things available now. Congratulations, new level of reputations. So these are the surprises. All these things, you open your surprises. Let me open my surprises. I won SP20 and 16k coin. So I claim. Watch the second ad. So this is how to open your prize. So another thing you need to do, they also have the daily cipher, the daily combo, which you can check on WhatsApp, you can check on YouTube. You will find the daily combo and then you choose the right combo for each day. So check them on on the YouTube, you are going to find them. So basically, this is what you need to do. Keep tagging and wait for the official listing of this season 2, which they say is coming soon. Do not just leave your vested token like that. Make sure that you claim your rewards. So that is it for this video. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.